Hello, sweethearts. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. Have I got a treat for you? Graham cracker crusted pumpkin pie with homemade whipped cream. Say that 5 times. Okay, sweethearts, would you like a little homemade whipped cream or a lot of homemade whipped cream? Tell me down below and let's get started with this recipe. And this is fresh out, my loves. Look at that. You know what? That graham cracker crust is so, it's the texture of it that makes this pumpkin pie so unique. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please let me know down below how you feel about this pie. Please make it and then let me know. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I love my whipped cream, my homemade whipped cream, but what I'm about to show you is a game changer. Have you seen these vanilla marshmallow bits? Oh my God, these are perfect for this pie. Get them. I got them at Target, you guys. Let me know how you feel about this because I'm excited. When I take a bite of this, it brings me joy. I hope it brings you joy too. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Please subscribe. I love you even if I don't know you. Talk to you later.